Hello students, today we will do the revision of laws of exponent. First law, a upon b raised to the power m into a upon b raised to the power n is equals to a upon b raised to the power m plus n. It means, see here the bases are same. When the bases are same and they are multiplied, the powers will be added. So it is m plus n. Its example, suppose 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3 into 2 upon 3 raised to the power 4. Bases are same, they are multiplied, that means power will be added. So it will be 2 upon 3 raised to the power n. If the answer will be given in exponential form, then you will give the answer up to this. If you have to give the answer in rational form, then you will simplify the power 7. Second law, a upon b raised to the power m divided a upon b raised to the power n. It means when the bases are same and they are divided, the powers will be subtracted. Same here in this case, if it is divided, then our answer will be 3 minus 4. That is 2 upon 3 minus 1. 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3, 2 upon 3 raised to the power 4. But as we know that we will not give the answer in the negative power. So what we will do? We will do the reciprocal. 3 upon 2 raised to the power n means 3 upon 2 raised to the power 1. We will do the reciprocal, that means 3 upon 2. You can say that p upon q raised to the power minus 1 is equal to q upon p. It will be positive power whenever we will do the reciprocal. So always give the answer in positive exponent. If it is given in question that you have to write the answer in negative exponent, then only in that case you will give in negative exponent. Otherwise you have to write in the positive exponent. Third, a upon b raised to the power m, c upon d raised to the power m. Here the powers are same and the bases are different. So what we will do? We will combine it. A upon b multiply c upon d raised to the power m. Just like, suppose 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 into 9 upon 4 raised to the power 2. So the bases are different but the powers are same. What we will do? We will just do combine it. We can do cutting also. 3 3s are 9. So it will be 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2. Raised to the power 2 means 3 multiply 2 times, 2 multiply 2 times. That is 9 upon 4. Fourth law. The same we can do in division also. If there is division here, then in place of multiplication sign, we will do division sign, we will write division sign and then we will solve it. Fourth, a upon b raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. If any term having the 0 power, always its value is 1. Just like, suppose we are having root 2 into root 3 minus 5 upon 4, whatever we are having the power 0. Always don't solve it, just write the directly answer 1. Next one, a upon b raised to the power p raised to the power q. That means a upon b, both the powers will be multiplied. P into q. So we can take example. Suppose 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 and again it is having power 3. So what we will do? 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 into 3. 2 upon 3 raised to the power 6. So you can multiply it. One more thing. If we are having negative power, always change in the positive. For this I am giving one question. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. solve this. 6, 3 minus 2 minus 1, 1 upon 6, negative power, it will be 6. We will do the reciprocal. In this way, you have to solve it. So student, I will give you worksheet also. You have to do it. Learn the exponents very well with the help of the exponents. Then you will solve the question. It will be very easy. Or you can expand it also. The powers here. Either you can solve by exponent law 3 plus 4, or you can expand it also, that 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3. You can write it 3 times and then you can solve it also. So learn these laws very well and do the question of worksheet also. So okay students, bye.